Hello friends, welcome back. Today I want to do an unboxing video. I just got my order in and this came as a surprise because I placed this order from Willie's Orchard in October of last year, and I selected the ship later option and they just shipped it to me. And on Monday I got an email saying that my shipment had been shipped, and it is Wednesday and it is here today. So let's see what kind of plants I have in here. This is the name of the place. It's an online orchard. It is an online nursery, so you can buy from Willie's Orchard. And I have a lot of trees from them, and they have turned out to be quite reliable, inexpensive. Well, I wouldn't say inexpensive. They are affordable, and the shipping is not as much as other places. These are bare root trees that I just purchased. So, in this box, we're gonna have a Georgia native chinkapin tree. That is a small chestnut tree, and the one I have in here is a replacement because that one, I had two. You need two for cross-pollination, and one of them died in the winter months, so I got a replacement one because the other one is feeling lonely. I also have a hazelnut tree, and this one is the ETA or ETA. I'm not really sure how to say that, ETA maybe. And that one needs a cross-pollinator too, so I bought a Yamhill hazelnut tree as well. So I have the ETA and the Yamhill, and I also ordered a Arkansas black apple. I think that would be interesting to have around here. And the one that I'm the most excited about is a golden African banana plant. This one I'm going to be pushing the zone on, and it's supposed to be hardy to zone 7, and it is supposed to be able to produce edible bananas. So I'm very excited about that one. And I'm going to be planting that up against the house and covering it with a lot of mulch during the winter months. And if I happen to put in a greenhouse, I'm going to take the pups of that banana plant and put it inside the greenhouse as well. I also have a blue Orinoco banana tree that I have in here. And I have a dwarf Cavendish banana, and those definitely need to go into the greenhouse once I build it. My plan for the greenhouse is to keep it just above freezing so the plants will not die, but I'm not going to heat it up too warm because I don't want to spend all that money in heating up a greenhouse. Right now you can see I have a lot of plants inside my grow room here, and they are doing quite fine in here, but I would love to grow fruits in the ground inside a glass house that is semi-heated. And I'm going to use some passive heating systems like gallons of water and having rocks and just thermal regulating it a little bit better, insulating the walls a little bit. So I am hoping that this greenhouse will extend my growing season and expand the possibilities of the things that I can grow. Aha, I see the banana plant. This is so cool. Here we go. Wow. Check out this beautiful bundle of trees that I just received. I'm so excited, and check out the packaging. Check out the great job they do with the packaging. I can feel there's moisture at the bottom here, so this is really good. We're gonna have to get these out of here, and they have a pretty good size. They are, I'm not sure, I mean, they're like 3 feet tall already. And you see my baby banana plant right here? This one is my pride and joy. I have to find the way into this bag. Oh, there we go. So it's pretty taped, pretty good. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to get into it. I am doing this unboxing indoors. I usually would do it in my garage, but it is pretty darn cold outside today. It's like 35, so I don't want to be out there too much today. Man, the weather really doesn't know what it wants right now. It gets hot and then it gets cold, and gotta be careful. These trees, I'm gonna be planting the hazelnuts and the apples in the next week or so. I'm just gonna wait for the weather to be nice and warm, like in the 40s and 50s, and then I'm gonna put them in my back orchard where I have all my other fruit trees. The chinkapin is gonna grow next to the chinkapin that I already have. It's a very tiny tree. They're supposed to get up to like 15 feet tall, something like that. But I am hoping to keep all my trees within like 15 feet anyways. So I'm not gonna let anything grow past 15 foot because it's a hassle to try to harvest fruit from a really tall tree. Okay, I finally got it to open. That was a lot of work trying to get these to come out of there. So they ship them in this little gel, and this gel is biodegradable, so it will degrade into the soil. So it will decompose in the soil. Here's one of them. Ooh, no, this is gonna be messy. Good thing I have a little tub here. The little tub is gonna collect all the stuff, but let me show you. Let me bring you in closer. Check out the beautiful root ball that this one has. And it is pretty tall, man. This is like 2 foot tall. I mean, the stem itself might be like 20 inches. And then with the leaf, it's maybe I don't know, 2.5 foot. I definitely need to put this one into a pot. So I'm gonna put that into a pot right now. And I have a perfect pot for it right over there. So I'm gonna put it in that. Have a nice little pot right here. And I'm going to put my banana tree in here. And I'm gonna keep my banana plant indoors because that one will definitely die outside right now. But the other stuff that I mentioned, the hazelnuts, the banana, and the chinkapin, those are hardy to my zone, so those can go outside in the ground right now, and it's not an issue at all. And here we have it, one nice repotted banana plant. This is the Golden African or White Rhino banana. It goes by a lot of different names, but this one is sold as Golden African banana. And I know of one more gentleman in Northern Virginia that is growing this one. So I'm confident it will survive the winters. Well, what happens is the leaves and the stem die back to the corm, and then it comes back from the roots every single year. So I'm excited about this one because this is the potential hardy edible banana here. The rest of the trees are bare root, so they have no soil in them, and I need to put them into the ground very soon. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to put them in a bucket of water in my garage and leave them there for a few days. And once it gets up into the 40s and 50s, I'm going to put these into the ground. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you can watch the video of me planting these trees right here. These are beautiful, and I'm excited about these guys. These are the other plants that I have right here. This is another banana plant I have in here. Some lemon trees, some dragon fruits, some taro that I am overwintering, guava tree, pineapple guava, lemon, overwinter peppers, overwinter cilantro, more bananas. So I'm going to keep this video short today because I just wanted to show you the exciting trees that I just got, and hopefully you guys are subscribed. You guys can see the future videos of me planting these trees, building the greenhouse, and hopefully growing some tropical fruits here in Northern Virginia, Zone 7A. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you in the next one.